Who will be running Berkshire Hathaway when Warren Buffett passes away? At 94 years old, we know Warren Buffett is slowing down, but he wants his legacy to live on. To run the company, he has now confirmed that his son, Howie Buffett, will become chairman of the board. At first glance, you may think this is a terrible idea because Howie, who does not like to be called Howard, by the way, does not have as much business experience as you would think. Howie, though, he is currently 70 years old, and he has been on boards such as Coca-Cola and Conagra Foods, so two pretty good-sized companies there, especially Coca-Cola, obviously. He's also been a board member of the Berkshire Hathaway's board as well, which, again, gives us some insight into how Warren likes to run Berkshire Hathaway. The reason that Warren Buffett picked his son to be chairman, as he admitted, he is favoring his son, but also feels that Howie is the best pick to protect the culture that Warren has built over his lifetime. I do believe he fits the role well, where he is going to keep things simple, treat people fairly, and have respect for the managers and the shareholders of Berkshire Hathaway. He also will carry on the tradition of being upfront with bad news when it comes, and in today's world, it is worth saying that honesty is a very important thing for both Warren and Howie. As chairman of the board, Howie will not be running the business. Instead, he is there to provide guardrails to keep the business on the same path that Warren Buffett was on for his entire life. As chairman of the board and a non-executive chairman, if he discovers they have the wrong CEO to run the business, well, then it is a much easier task for Howie to make that change. It is still expected that the longtime Berkshire Hathaway executive, Greg Abel, will be the CEO, and he will actually run the business of Berkshire Hathaway. At a market cap, though, around $950 billion, it will be no easy task to continue to grow this company. But I personally do believe in what Warren Buffett has done over the years, and that his son Howie, who has the same moral fiber of Warren Buffett, will continue to keep the company on track. I do believe we will see some changes in the investments that are put into the portfolio, which I feel we have already seen. Obviously, the new investment directors, they seem to have a little bit of a different strategy than Warren Buffett, so I assume they'd take on that new role of managing that huge portfolio for Berkshire Hathaway at that point in time. But I'm Chase Wilsey with Wilsey Asset Management. If you like these videos, be sure to give it a like or comment, and feel free to check out our other YouTube videos and weekly newsletter for the latest economic news, expert analysis, and market insights.